Na ako diri karon kay natay i-bag-ong i-promote. Unsa na Sir Marv?
This is the new Virginia Premium Selection.
Okay.
The products here are curated. This is the new Premium Selection canned goods.
Sir Marv, out na ni dari lang.
Yes, sa factory outlets
sa atong mga branches, sa atong mga departments.
I need to check which stores available siya, but karon for now it's available in the Virginia factory outlets.
Okay, that's good. So Sir Marvin, for the years na nagsuporta sa WRAC, we are so happy because since 2009 I think na nata sa WRAC, and since then walay stop. So me humbly saying thank you tanan sa suporta.
Thank you.
For all those years, natay daghang mga products na naadiri. So Sir Marvin, can you show them?
Yes, here.
Aside from that, Sir Marvin, nata diri sa store karon.
Nata sa store, sa factory outlet.
So akong i-show ninyo tanan diri kana.
This is the canned goods line. And then our final product is
the Virginia hot dog, Sir Marv.
Yeah, hot dog. Here.
Patanaw ni Sir Marv, please. So that's the
hot dog,
Virginia. And then Sir Marvin, not only here in Cebu, but this is nationwide also,
yes,
diba?
Nationwide.
We can also buy that in Manila.
Yes.
Tanan dito ng mga grocery stores in Manila, diba?
Yes.
So, guys, if you want to taste this, just look for this brand. Okay? Thank you, Sir Marvin.
Thank you.
Thank you, Virginia. Thank you.
More power.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.